see this video, and I haven't seen this trailer yet, but the new Ratchet and Clank ripped apart, and then I haven't seen it, and I haven't played it. Wholly I played Ratchet and Clank on PlayStation All-Stars Battle Royale, but they're making a new one coming out on PlayStation 5, trust me. And then they're making Ratchet and Clank. It's gonna be cool. This is the new one, so I'm gonna see this one right now. And ready? Yeah, I'm gonna see this. Ready, steady, action.
You all right back there? No way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to right, the ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
I have it in my sight.
They have found us, Ratchet. How do I steer this thing? Ask nicely. Slow down, please. That's not listening. The dimensions are weakening considerably. How bad is it? Well, it is certainly not good. Great! Where are we? Beats me.
To the depths with you. How many arms you got? Beast! We've been boarded. Get off me, ship. I'll reach it.
Clank!
Whoa.
Ratchet, we are too late. Ratchet? Who?
It just shows when's coming out.
PlayStation.
PlayStation 5. Alright, so yeah, maybe the PlayStation 5 is coming out, and yeah, I'm gonna at least check it. It's gonna be really, Ratchet's face is different, you know. I really had I got a PS3, and you know I got money to buy for that, but I just got a PlayStation 3. Well, I'm just gonna have to play more PlayStation All-Stars Battle Royale with the Kratos. And just everyone. Yeah, that's what I wanted to play. Well, thanks for watching.